What's up guys, welcome to another YouTube video. This is gonna be another HVAC video, so let's get going. So we're going into this gate here. We have the Carrier Split Systems Gemini. Oh, this is reminding me of the Google Gemini right now, and it looks like this is a unit number 2. Let me show you here's the data plate on it. This is from 2010 or 11. Pretty much. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, it's USA Deluxe. Wow. Made in USA. Shocking. Shocking. Yeah. So as you can tell, it's running right now. It looks like it's on stage 2 cooling because both fans are on. Someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's on stage 2. And yes, this does have 2 compressors. They come over here, you'll see there's 2 pipelines here, so you can tell this is a 2-stage unit. So, and there's like the little window to see the Freon flow, I think. Not sure why the other one's taped. So yeah, the pipe work goes in here. Here's a disconnect. There's another junction box for electricals. Yeah, they're running. 3-bladed fans. So there's 4 of these units. I can only film the outside unit because the inside unit is up in the it's actually up in the I guess you could say attic, or has to be special access to get over there, so can't show that. So let's move on to the next unit and show you the next one. So yeah, be right back. Alright, so here's the other. And yeah, this used to lock. It stopped working. I don't know why. I don't know what happened. I guess something with a switch or something, or disabled. Here's the second unit. Pretty much the same thing. Both fans are running, giving nice warm air. They're working good. I don't think they got the original parts on them. I doubt it. Here's the pipe work. Same thing over here. Disconnect, outlet. Yeah, working good so far. Obviously they had their problems. These are 15-year-old units, all 4 of them. Alright, so here's this side. Wow, that's not good. Yeah, that's cold. That should be covered. You're losing efficiency over here. Oh, no good. Oh no, you're gonna get that China Deluxe cooling. There's the disconnect. But yeah, that's got foam rot. Alright, let me show you the last 2 before I end this video. Okay, so here's the other 2 units back here. Obviously they're not running because the other 2 are running. One of them was running, and the second unit or system doesn't have an evaporator fan, and there has been no evaporator fan motor for a year now. So yeah, the evaporator fan went bad, I guess, and they couldn't source the parts. So one of these are pretty much bricked. Again, that's the inner furnace, not out here. This is what they look like when they're off. 3 blades, the pitch, both fans here. I don't know if you can see the inside of it. There's the. You see that? There's the compressor there. A nice Copeland skull compressor. You know, here's all the pipe work for it. There's a light there, one of the pole lights that got taken down. And some more. There's the pipe work that leads to over there. There's an outlet there. Okay, so yeah, that's the one of them. They've labeled it 5 for some reason. I don't know why. It's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, but okay. Here's a disconnect. Again, they got the nice classic foam rot here. They gotta replace that. That's not very good. Oh, you're definitely losing efficiency there. Oh yeah, that's China Deluxe cooling right there. No wonder it doesn't cool so well. That needs to be redone. 20, almost, it's 15-year-old units. So I guess they only last 10 years. Not good. That's why you're not getting the cooling. There's the power for this. There's the second unit. They label it number 4. Pretty much same information. So yeah. Yeah, this is just terrible. I just noticed that foam rot. Yeah, it's not gonna work too well. I'm gonna lose efficiency out of that one. Gotta take pictures of that. That's gotta be corrected. That looks like that's a lot to order there. It's a lot of foam. It's a lot of foam. If anybody know what size this is, I think it's 3/4 pipe. I think it's 3/4. So, yeah, terrible. Anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.